Attention all Suno users, if you've been itching to push your musical creativity beyond the limits, you're in for a treat. Suno just dropped the audio input feature. This means we can now turn any sound into a full-fledged song. Finally, you can make use of the old music snippets of unfinished melodies just collecting dust. Or record just any noise or sound that comes to mind, and Suno's magic will transform it into a unique musical masterpiece. So, let's dive in and see how to unleash this awesome new tool.
Hey everyone, I'm the AI Swede here.
And I'm about to put Suno's brand new audio input feature to the test. But first, I'll give you a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. First things first, if you're a Pro or Premiere Suno user, you will get the early access to this new feature now. In a couple of weeks, it will be available for everyone. I will put a link to Suno in my description below. Once you're logged in, you will find the new yellow Upload Audio option button in the Library tab next to Page Number and in the Create tab next to Custom and Version. You have two options here. Upload an existing audio file from your computer or record a sound directly using Suno's built-in recorder. Clips should be between 6 and 60 seconds in length. So I will start by uploading snippets of unfinished music I made a couple of years ago with Hookpad and BandLab. Let's see what Suno can do with them. So I choose Upload Audio, my device, and I choose my file. Let's upload it. And Suno generates an image, and let's give it a listen. And then I choose extend and then a timestamp from where I want to extend it, in this case 22 seconds. And I choose the style of music, for this one EDM, and some kind of monk choir, and also write record label quality, which I've heard will increase the quality. As always, you can include your own lyrics or generate lyrics from a prompt. Life in the monastery is a constant party. Generate lyrics. There we go. And extend. So let's give the first one a listen.
Monks all shout with joy now. Candles light the way.
No, second one.
Monks all shout with joy now.
No, not quite what I wanted. So I will add Gregorian monk choir. Let's see. First one.
Monks all shout with joy now. Candles light the way.
No, second one.
Monks all shout with joy now. Candles light the way. Ink and scrolls at dawn break. Changing through the
Yes,
day.
this is what I want. So I will get the whole song, which you can do once the song has finished creating. It takes a couple of minutes, and then it puts the two pieces of music together. And here we go, starting with my music snippet from Hookpad, about 22 seconds, and then the song.
Shout with joy now, candles light the way. Ink and scrolls at dawn break, changing through the day. Simple roads, the beat flows, rhythms fill the air. Meditation disco, peace beyond compare. Life in the monastery, we party till the dawn. Harmony's a mystery, never feel withdrawn. Gardens full of laughter, echo in the halls. Mirth from floor to rafters, fun beneath these walls.
Here's my first piece of music snippet from BandLab. and then the song. Alright, so my second snippet from BandLab sounds like this, and then the song.
When my stomach hurts, I grab the chicken soup, sip away the pain. Curled up on the couch, blanket wrapped so tight, sleep will come tonight. When my stomach hurts, I just need some love, want to lift me up.
Finally, my third snippet from BandLab sounds like this, and then the song.
Under palm trees I lay, feeling sick just today. Coconuts in the breeze, can you bring me some ease? Crack it open so quick, maybe wonder if I'm thick. Milk and water inside, will you heal me or high? Coconuts, coconuts, you might be my rescue nuts. Coconuts, coconuts, cure my mind and all my cuts. Feeling dizzy and weak, need a miracle I see. Nature's remedy here, wash away all my fears.
So now I want to try out the audio feature a little bit more with sounds I make myself, starting with belly drums.
Running out so wild, dusty trails we ride, eyes like fire in the night, silent whispers high. Untamed heart won't fade, galloping through gale. No one can hold us down, wind our soul regale. Wild horse, running free.
Finger stopping.
Raindrops falling on my head, wet streets light up red, clouds paint the skies, wipe away the lies. Puddles under my shoes, dreaming in the blues. Cold wind whispers clear, wishing you were near. Falling raindrops on my skin, wash away where I've been. Dance with me, let's be begin.
I did some recordings earlier this week, and let's see how it turned out.
Record, let's play. Life's a soundtrack every day. Hear the moments stay. Hear the words we say. Catch the laughter now. Every whisper, every vow. Feel the heartbeat, wow. Capture memories how. Recording life on replay. Late at night, dish and douche got in a fight. Whisk was spinning round and round, making the most peculiar sound. Dish was feeling kind of flat. Bush was far too round for that. Whisk tried hard to lead. I got a red balloon floating through the moon. Hold on tight, let's go. Fall up high, we'll float. Catch the wind, we rise. Magic in the skies. No more tears or gloom. Life inside this room. Floating by in the sky, we ask why. Colors burst, they don't lie. Morning sun is rising. I still half asleep. Cup of warmth beside me. Promises to keep. Lazy days and dreaming. Sipping slow and sweet. Your aroma greets me.
Yeah, I think I like this new feature, and the songs turn out great. It helps you get more ideas for what you want to create, and yeah, fantastic. I liked it. Some tips are, first, experiment with different audio sources like I did here. Use high quality audio and recording equipment for the best results. play around with the different genre settings to discover unique sounds, and make sure you own the rights to the audio that you use. The possibilities are endless with Suno's Audio Input feature. Get out there, record those unique sounds, and let Suno transform them into musical magic. You're welcome to share your amazing AI-powered tracks in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating. If you want to know more about me and the AI Swede and my AI journey, make sure to watch this video. For me to be able to keep making these videos, I really appreciate that you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful.